Hello viewers, welcome to Gardening is My Love. In this episode, I'll show you the glimpse of the vegetable garden. I'll show you a list of vegetables that are seen in this video. I start with cowpea. It is usually grown in villages. You can have a glimpse of that. You can also see the cowpeas hanging around. It's a lush green vine that is grown with the support. Usually in Kannada it is called as alasande. And moving forward, I'll introduce to you the second vegetable, that is okra. You can see how the okras are planted in a row. These are special varieties of okras that are available around Karkala, named as white okras of Karkala. Bili Bende it is called as in Kannada. You can see the rows. And thirdly, the vegetable in sequence is the local variety of ginger. You can see big rows of ginger that are planted. They are planted on a mound such that the water does not stagnate. There is a problem with ginger plants, that is, if the water is stagnated, they get rotten. So you can see a big row of ginger plants. And after that, in sequence is the Chinese potato. Usually it is grown around Mangalore and some parts of Kerala. So you can see the rows of Chinese potato. In Malayalam it's called as kurka. Even in our local Tudu language it's called as kurka. Samroli they call it as. It's widely grown in and around Udupi and Mangalore region. It's very similar to potato. And finally, in the sequence is the vines of sweet potato. Sweet potato is very popular here. Different varieties of sweet potato, the red variety, etc. You can see land full of vines spread all around. They look so beautiful. And these are the glimpses of the lush green vegetable garden. You can see how much of the human effort that has been put to grow these plants all around. They are 100% natural, grown with the cow manure and all the organic material. 100% organic garden. So beautiful. You can see I have already shown you the cowpeas hanging. So you can see on the screen. So this is what we have in the current episode. I have shown the glimpses of a vegetable garden. Thank you for watching this episode. Please subscribe, like, and share my YouTube channel. Gardening is my love. Thank you for now.